Hi guys, my name's Amber, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do Ivy's 6-month update. I thought I'd just let you know how she's getting on, new things I've noticed, and just how she is at 6 months. So obviously the first big thing she's doing is sitting by herself. She actually sat for the first time unaided for a long period of time on Mother's Day, which was really sweet. So before she would have sat and she would have toppled over, or if she'd sort of gone to fall she couldn't stop herself. But actually from Mother's Day she was able to stop herself from falling. She was able to almost pull herself back up if she had a pillow behind her, and now she sits lovely and she plays with her toys. I feel it's great for her because I think she was just a bit frustrated on her back all the time. She likes to look around, see around, grab things, so now she's sitting, she's happy to play for a lot longer, and obviously she looks really cute as well. We're now weaning Ivy. We weaned her just before she was 6 months. She's now 6.5 months. I actually filmed her first week of weaning, which I will link below. We decided to do baby-led weaning this time round, and we just thought it might be a bit of fun for her. I haven't tried it before, and being the third baby, it'd be good for her just to sit there and be able to do it herself. We have introduced some purees as well, but I give them to her on the spoon. So we're doing a bit of puree and a bit of baby-led. It works for us. She seems really happy with it. The reason I do like to have the purees as well as the food that she feeds herself is because I've noticed since we've introduced food, she's actually taking less of her milk at the moment, so she's not feeding as much. I don't know whether that's to do with her teeth, I've been told, or whether she just doesn't fancy it, whether she's going off the milk. There's a few things we're going to have to try just to get her back onto taking her full sort of 7 ounces that she was taking before. So I am giving her some purees as well, just so I know she's getting a little something. I know they say food before 1 is just for fun, but because she's not taking as much milk as well, I want to make sure that she's actually getting something. She is drinking a lot of water though, and this week we have introduced one of the little munchkin beakers as well. She took water from that brilliantly. She really liked it. She liked holding it, and obviously it's non-spill, which is great. So we're going to carry on with a bit of baby-led and a bit of puree, but she can do it herself. It is messy, but it's fun for her and she loves it. So she's not yet crawling or bum shuffling or anything, but she does roll everywhere. If she wants to get somewhere or she sees something that she wants, she knows she can get to it by rolling. I can pop her on the mat and she can be playing absolutely fine. I can turn my back for 2 minutes and she's rolled to the other end of the room to get something that she wants. So she knows how to get around. She's not quite doing the bringing the knees up thing yet, and she's sort of got no interest in bum shuffling, which my second baby, he actually bum shuffled, he didn't crawl at all. But I'm sure she'll get there eventually. She's just happy rolling around everywhere at the moment. So we now do baby swimming lessons every week, which she started when she was about 4 months old. She absolutely loves them. They go under the water, so she's used to the submersion. She lays on her back, on her front, on her side. She plays with toys, but she absolutely loves it. It's just a 20-minute lesson every week. She's getting so water confident. We're going on holiday soon, so it'll be lovely for her to have that confidence in the pool all the time. But she just has so much fun, so I'd really recommend it to anyone if you've got the time to do baby swimming lessons. It's so beneficial. It really starts them off well, and she absolutely loves it. So we definitely think she's teething. She has the big red cheeks every so often, and she's gnawing down on anything she can get hold of. We are still using her Bello and Me teething mitt, which I really recommend. We carry it around with her all the time and she really likes to gnaw on it. She isn't very drooly with her teething though, and I think that's because we're using the Amber teething anklets again. I used them for my second baby and he had no drool at all. He didn't have the red cheeks actually, but he had quite a few on. I will link the company below that we ordered them from because they are certified, and there's a lot out there that aren't. They worked for us with our second baby. We would wake up in the morning and he would have cut a tooth and we wouldn't have even known. There would be no signs at all. So fingers crossed they worked this time round. Could have been a coincidence, but I swore by them. So she's got one, and I'm going to get her a couple more as well and see if that helps. Now she is saying dada a lot. It's one of her favourite things to say at the moment. And she does like to growl, and she likes to screech really loud, and she whistles as well. So she purses her lips together and she blows in and out and whistles. So I don't really know any other 6-month-old whistlers, but she does it. She really enjoys it and it makes everyone laugh. But yeah, she is saying dada a lot. She does growl and she likes to screech a lot. Just likes to get our attention really and get her point across. And we have 2 noisy boys in the house and she's got to be just as noisy, so that's how she decides to do it. So she is still sleeping in her crib in our room at night. We do put her down for naps in her cot in her bedroom in the daytime, and also when the boys go to bed we pop her down in her cot then as well, and we'll transfer her into her crib. It's mainly because I still like her next to me, and she is waking a lot in the night still, so I just think if she's next to me it's easier and quicker for me to settle her, and it's less disturbance for her as well. She's waking up about 1 AM and 5 AM at the moment. I'm not quite sure where this has come from. She was always a really good sleeper, right from newborn up to sort of about 5 months. She was such a good sleeper, and she would have her last feed sort of about 11-12 o'clock, and she'd sleep all the way through to about 7 or 8. But now she's doing the 1 o'clock, 5 o'clock wake up call, and I'm not quite sure why. I think she's falling asleep. Yeah, she's falling asleep. This is because she's waking up twice in the night. But sometimes it's for a bottle, sometimes it's just to be settled back down. She might have lost her dummy. She does have a muzzy in the daytime, but I don't like her to have it at night just in case she covers her face or anything. So it might just be that she hasn't got that. But she is waking a couple of times in the night. I'm not quite sure why, and I really hope that she goes back to sleeping all night again, because it's very tiring. But she obviously needs us. It could be her teeth waking her up. It could be that she's hungry. She's not a big feeder in the day, as I was saying, anymore. Now she's having a bit of food every so often, but she does seem to, if she does have a bottle in the night, she does seem to drain it. So maybe she is hungry, and that is the best time for her to have a feed. So as long as she's getting a full feed, I'm happy with that. So I take Ivy to get weighed every 2 weeks. She was 17 pounds 1 ounce the last time I got her weighed. I am due to take her back next week. It'll be interesting to see how much she has put on, because obviously I've noticed the reduced feeding with her a little bit. But all the way leading up to now, she's done really well. She's on the same centile, and she's just doing brilliant with her weight. She absolutely loves to play. She loves her toys, she loves her jumper, she loves her bouncer. She just loves to play with toys. She has loads of variety of toys. She loves it when we sit down with her or the boys sit down and play with her, but she really is into toys. She has like a little piggy bank that she puts little coins into, like little plastic coins, and she's just sort of working out how to do that. So she is really enjoying playing at the moment, and it's so sweet. And obviously now she can sit up as well. She can sit up unaided and play with her toys, and keeps her occupied for ages. I've noticed that she is getting a tiny bit clingy at the moment as well. So she can be playing for ages, she can be sat quite happily, and I will get up and go to walk out the room and she'll cry. So I don't know whether she's just getting a little bit clingy at the moment, whether she's realising that I'm leaving. I'm not sure whether I'm going to be coming back again, but I have noticed she's getting a bit clingy. If I hand her to people as well, she's constantly looking for me the whole time. So she's looking around to make sure I'm still there and I haven't left. So she really is starting to recognise people as well. So she's recognising family members and close friends, and she's quite happy to go with them. She will still have a quick glance back just to make sure that I'm still there. But if I hand her over to someone that she doesn't quite know, or people that she doesn't see regularly, she's getting a little bit fussy and she wants to come back to me. I just think she wants to be with me all the time. And finally, she's just so knowing. She just knows her surroundings. She sort of knows where she is. She knows who's talking to her. She knows what she wants. She really knows what she wants. She is a very good, content, chilled baby. She's really gorgeous. She's so happy, chilled baby. She loves to play. She loves attention. And as I say, she really knows what she wants. I do think she's going to do things a bit quicker, but she is just so beautiful. She's gorgeous. We just love having her. She completes our family. The boys absolutely adore her, and we are so lucky to have her. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this little update. I'll try and do another one soon, maybe in a couple of months, just to let you know how she's getting on. If you do like the video, then please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday at 6 PM, and I really hope to see you again soon. Thank you. Bye bye.